Hello guys, welcome to Ultimate Forex. Today 5th August 2020 and today we will discuss on gold. So let's go inside the chart. So as we discussed yesterday, we are in a fifth wave on a higher time frame. So this is how I labeled one wave 1, 2 and inside of this third wave it is as a 1, 2. So now we are in this purple trade. So this was started from the 1960. Then wave 1 completed around 1976. And the correction of this first wave is nearly 61.8. So this one is deep correction and this one is complex correction. You can see this much time is taken around 20 hour. So next fourth wave will take the lower time. Okay, see, this is the second wave, and now we are in a third wave. So you can see we today morning we make a high and on Asian session around 2031. So let's check with the Fibonacci. Okay, it is more than, it is nearly around, okay, nearly around 361. So as we discuss, Iliad wave follows alternate rules. See, this is the complex correction and taken the higher times. So this fourth wave is shallow correction and simple correction. This is complex, this is simple, and this is not deep. This one is shallow. Let's check. Yeah, it is nearly around 38.2. So what is next? So one, two, three, fourth. Now we are in a fifth. So fifth forecast. Let's forecast fifth wave. So nearly our target is either 2036 and above 2036 it will go towards 2052, nearly 2052. So you can buy here around 2024. SL is low 2009 and target is 2052 or 2048. So this is our forecast, and on higher time frame we are 1 2. On higher time frame, if we see, this is our first wave. So on higher time frame we will see 2092 or 2119. So first is 161 percentage is around 2050. So on higher time frame we will see around 2050, 2092 or 2119. So this is very useful for when you are trading on a lower time frame. You keep in mind this level 2050, 2092 and 2119. So this rally will continue up to the 2050. First target is 2050. Hope you guys understand this video. And another one is I have seen today GBP JPY. As earlier we discussed on this pair, you can see the wave is like 0, 1, 2, 3 and fourth complex correction is running. So let's see the waves. This 61.8 percentage completed around 135. Next, let's check the third wave. Third wave exactly completed around 161, and the fourth wave correction shall be shallow. So it may complete around 137.600. So this is the good entry level for the target of 140, 140,700. So we will wait for this correction to be complete around this area 137.600, and then we see one first wave, and the retracement of this first is second, so we will buy near the second wave. So basic concept you have to keep in mind when you are going to label. Basic concept is wave 4 should not go below the wave 1, and wave 3 is not lowest in entire the fifth wave. So this is a basic concept. Hope you guys understand the video. Thank you.